In this video, we will show you how to replace the wireless LAN card on the ASUS ExpertBook P5 G2. Before starting, ensure that you back up your files. Also, have all parts ready. First, check the safety precautions in the ASUS service manual. Next, take proper ESD precautions and power off the laptop. Remove the 6 screws. Flip up and insert the plastic blade to create a small gap at the corner. Use the plastic blade to pry open the bottom case. Remove the bottom case. Push the iron sheet up. Disconnect the red cable side first. Disconnect the black cable side. Remove the Wi-Fi plate. Disconnect the 2 antenna connectors. Remove the 1 screw. Remove the wireless LAN card. Align and insert the wireless LAN card into the slot. Fasten the 1 screw. Connect the 2 antenna connectors. Paste the Wi-Fi pad onto the top of the RF cable. Connect the black cable side first. Connect the red cable side. Push the iron sheet in. Assemble the bottom case at a slight tilt at upper side first. Press the upper side of bottom case to fix. Put the bottom case down slowly. Press left and right side of bottom case to fix. Press lower side of bottom case to fix. Press middle side of bottom case to fix. Fasten the 6 screws. If you need additional help, please contact the service center. Welcome to subscribe to ASUS support channel. Like the video or share your comments below. We are happy to provide you with more useful information.